Right now it's almost 5 p.m. and I'm about to head to the track to get one last workout in before I am in Iowa. So say goodbye to my room and hello to, watch this transition. Okay, now back to the traveling and how I got to my apartment. It is currently 2:20. Sorry, I'm so tired, but we're about to leave. So let's go. Look what's on. Anyways, let's go, bro. I can't forget my ring light. This is a must-have. Bye room. Yeah. This is. I'll be seeing you in a few months. I would make up my bed, but it's fine. We're good. Let's go. I'm really sad. How are you feeling?
Good and tired.
Oh, bye, Jimmy. Good morning, Daddy. Hey, girl. I gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you. Bye. Oh, she camera shy. That's on period, Pooh. Wow, look who comes down.
I've been out since 2:17, waiting on y'all.
We're supposed to leave at 2:30. Good morning, Jesus. Mom.
Prayer's great.
Woo!
Oh! Oh!
Brady, what happened? She hit the
I
edge of
stepped
the...
back in here.
Oh my goodness. We are out.
Backpack. I told y'all this when we were packing.
What? Alright. We need a quick stop at Townwide. Energy. What? Again, but at Bucky's. Alright, we're officially out. Let's go. Stopping for gas. We made it to Oklahoma.
Huh?
Jumping jacks.
You said jumping jacks? Yes.
Woo. Perfect.
Look like Bow Wow.
Yeah, you're stupid. Yeah. Alright, food stop. Not the best option, but it's the closest. Back on the road. You said what? We're loaded up. Just went to the restroom. It's time to go. Oh, I thought I was going to drive again. My mask fell. Ah! Alright, we got our food. So I'm kind of disappointed because I forgot that at Slim Chickens that's not in Texas, they don't shape their waffles like Texas. So this was very disappointing.
Lame.
Yeah. Go big or go home. We made it to Ames. We've made it. Okay, not sure what's going on, but the lights are all out outside. Welcome to me casa.
It's hot as hell.
It is super hot. Oh my goodness. It's freaking hot. There's a power outage in Ames. I'm dying. I'm literally sweating. There's like a city.
I bet devil's balls in here.
There's a citywide outage, like power outage, from a storm that hit before we got here. Currently sweating. It's really hot. There's no light. We got light from the natural outside. But anyways, don't know what I'm gonna do because I can't sleep in this. But we made it. That's all that matters. Everything's just kind of everywhere right now. We're gonna get to unpacking soon, but I'm not about to unpack when it's hot and like 90 degrees. Okay, we're about to pick up some necessities from Target. Anyways, all the stores are pitch black right now.
Yeah, because there's a power outage.
Yeah, there's a power outage names. So we're about to see how Target looks inside. Let's go. So I can already tell it's pitch black in there. But this is a good thing because I look a mess, so that means even if I see someone I know, they won't know me. You know, they won't be able to see me. She's loving this weather here. How do you like it?
Devil's balls in Texas.
I love the weather here, but AIM sucks because it's boring and I have nothing to do.
What?
Well, then you have to bash on my little town. All right, so we're here. Hey, they have some lights.
Where? Oh, the emergency light.
Yo, what?
I was trying to smell it.
Get it out. Girl, ew. Stop, bro. It literally feels like we're at like the end of the world right now. Like, it. Already shut up. We're done. Whew. Problem is that we just got here, so in my apartment I don't have food. So
We only got one.
yeah. So don't you dare park too close to my car because I will get out and fight you. But anyways, so yeah, basically that's what we're doing now. I called one place and literally it rung once and then it said goodbye. So anyways, stay tuned. Update. Still no lights. This is the lights.
I'm enjoying this.
We don't really have food, but wait, would you? Oh, my mom made a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and some chips and dip. So good thing there was bread and everything. Yeah. This is how we're keeping cool. Keep the windows open.
Don't record this one.
Okay, so we are still in a power outage, at least where I'm at. Some places has like gotten their power back, but my area has not. So we couldn't have our morning coffee because clearly it don't work. So you know where we went. We had to. I need coffee. My mom needs coffee. Like, it's just no ifs, ands, or buts about it. But the other Starbucks, the actual Starbucks was closed because their lights are probably still out. So Target Starbucks is open. So everyone's in line for Target Starbucks right now. Also, side note, look at this braid. I didn't even know that. I was in public. Wow. Anyways, wow. So stay tuned on when the lights will come back on. But when I get back to my apartment, I'm gonna eat, drink my coffee, and then we're gonna start unpacking finally. So it's day 2. It was only supposed to be a one-day vlog, but this is day 2, and we are going to finally be unpacking and getting my apartment together. So anyway, stay tuned if you're interested. Now I'm gonna drink my coffee. Yep, white chocolate mocha, extra caramel. Good. Also, fun fact, the only way we can charge our phones is in the car. So that's why I'm currently sitting in my car to charge for a little. Oh my gosh. Because my phone was on like 1% last night. My mom's phone died. She was in here for like an hour charging her phone. So yeah, love this. Y'all, we just saw a flicker of light. We're super happy. I think oh my gosh, I think the refrigerator's on. Look. Okay, let's see.
Oh. Oh yeah, it came on.
It came on?
Over you.
It's dim, it's on.
You need light bulbs.
Why isn't the rest of the lights? It's trying.
It's trying.
Okay,
Everything off is coming.
everything's off. Y'all, the lights are, oh yeah, it's trying. It's literally coming on, but like super dim. We're about to start getting everything packed up and ready. Hopefully this one wakes up soon. Yeah.
Not packed up and ready to be
Packed up and clean. Sorry. Unpacked.
unpacked.
Unpacked and clean. Yeah, and clean everything. Sorry for the annoying noise, but anyways. Second, I think the storm knocked down my thingies. Like, what? Anyways. I would be showing y'all more, but I have 7%. Yeah, so I can't really show y'all like I wanted to. This vlog might not work how I planned because of everything that's going on. I was supposed to have my phone charged. Oh my gosh. I was supposed to have my phone charged and, you know, be filming the move-in process too. Well, not really move-in, but like unpacking process. But that probably won't happen. I'll just be keeping y'all updated. So anyways, about to go start. We are currently picking up food. Seems like the restaurant's lights are back on, so that's great. It's still really hot in our apartment, but anyways, so stay tuned. All of our food's here?
I think.
To come on campus, enjoy the beautiful weather, and not be stuck in an apartment that's overheated. So guys, the campus isn't as pretty right now because all the trees that fell from the storm, but all is fine. It's still pretty, kind of. How y'all feeling?
Tired.
Wonderful.
Yeah, because they're not really talking to me right now. Maybe.
Because we full.
Just finished eating.
Let's sit over here.
Those are like honeysuckles, like one thing that you can eat.
That's cool. Oh yeah. I just don't want it flying out in my face. Oh. This building. Hi, mother.
Hi, Mitch.
So update. We still have no AC, no lights, nothing. We got candles though.
Fake
The
candles.
only time we could, the LED battery operated.
Soon, this is gonna go away, and we won't have any light in here. So we're about to play Sorry really quick before we can't.
Sorry, we don't have no lights and air conditioning.
So we're about to do that. But I will show y'all the progress we've made, and I'm gonna end the video here just cause I don't want it to be a 3-day video. So anyways, let's show you. All right, so don't mind the extra stuff that haven't been like thrown away.
Trash.
But this is what we've made so far. Mind you, I was already moved in, so all we did was clean up and unpack. This is my favorite area right here. Love that area. I don't know why. There's my sister. All right. Yeah, we need some work in the room, but y'all get the point. Clearly, there's still stuff we have to put up, but for the most part, we finished a lot. Yeah, here's my picture wall that I'm going to be adding more pictures to soon. There's that. Thank y'all for watching. Sorry this went longer than I had planned, but I can't help that I had a power outage and we couldn't do anything. So anyways, once again, thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to go like, subscribe. I can't even talk. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And also tell me what you want to see more of. Bye. Love y'all. So I know I said I was done with the video, but I just have to show y'all what we're doing right now. We got the stove to work. Don't know how, but it's working. Nothing else is working. We got these little candles all around. We have this door open for light and also for, you know, to be cool because you can't really see, but this says 85 degrees inside. And then we got these little portable fans. Can't really see it either. So yeah, we're still without, but it's fine because we're making it.